Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a winter potpourri.
A stovetop potpourri is basically a simmering pot made of spices, dried fruit peels, extracts, fruit and herbs. Even if it feels intimidating, it's not hard to make a potpourri. You can adapt it for each season, so this is a winter potpourri. This is a natural, non-toxic way to make your house smell amazing. These are the ingredients I will use: 2 oranges, 5 cinnamon sticks, cranberries, 2 tablespoons of cloves, some rosemary sprigs and some star anise. Cut the oranges into rounds and place them into a pot. They are a boosting mood and lifting up the spirits, reduce stress, calm the mind, improve sleep quality, relieve anxiety, and help the healing of colds and flu. Simmering potpourri on the stove releases moisture into the air, which can relieve coughing and congestion. Citrus, clove, rosemary, cinnamon, and eucalyptus are an unstoppable germ-fighting team and are often found together in essential oil blends. The stovetop potpourri purifies the air and improves health and wellness. This is a replacement for air fresheners. This simple DIY project will fill your entire home with the most wonderful aroma so easily. It will last throughout the day even after you turned off the stove. Add cranberries. They will give a fruity aroma and aid in relieving headaches. Add cloves. They help to relieve respiratory conditions like cough and asthma, headache, and some stress symptoms. Add rosemary sprigs. They will release a fresh and pleasant scent with balsamic wood and camphoric notes that will relax your senses, relieve mental stress, relieve sinusitis, and improve concentration, memory, and mood. Add star anise. It has an aroma similar to black licorice. It helps easing bronchitis, colds, and flu. Helps reducing anxiety, anger, depression, and stress. Add cinnamon sticks. They will add a spicy, sweet, and cozy scent. Cinnamon is known to diminish the feelings of depression, faintness, and exhaustion. Will relax the body, enhance the mood, and better sleep. Now that we placed nicely all the ingredients, just add water. I added about 2 liters of water. Bring water to a boil. Then lower the heat and simmer. Be sure to keep your simmer pot on the back burner and replenish with water as needed. Enjoy the smell that will soon infuse in your home. Keep an eye on your pot and perhaps set a timer. You don't want all of the water to evaporate and let the pan run dry. Top off with more water as needed to keep the simmering spices going for many hours. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever made a potpourri yourself. I wish you could smell my home right now. It smells divine. Thank you for stopping by and taking time of your busy day to watch my video. On my channel you will find a lot of cleaning hacks videos. If you are interested, I will link some of them at the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!